Graduation Day in Diliman, Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.
Yay! Ako, dito na.
Binubuo ito ng 166 na magsisipagtapos para sa mga sumusunod na titulo. Bachelor of Elementary Education, Early Education K-3, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Literacy Education, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Mathematics Education,
Oh, dahil.
Bachelor of Elementary Education, Science and Health, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Special Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Biology Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Chemistry Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, English Language Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Filipino Language Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Health Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Mathematics Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Physics Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Social Studies,